Welcome back. In this video we will see the sync.once method. Before that, let's talk about the sync.once. So sync.once is used to implement or execute a method only once, or you can say it is single. If you want to implement the singleton, then sync.once is the right approach. So how do I implement that? Before that, let's go ahead and run the program, what exactly it is doing. So let's do it. So this program is, so main method has wait group and channel called done, and then we have a method called load, which is getting executed inside the for loop, inside the go routine, and this go routine is created inside the for loop. So we are executing for loop 10 times, then we are creating 10 go routines, and we are executing load function 10 times. So what if I have to do, or I have to implement the singleton? So in that case, how do I do it manually? So let's go ahead and do that first. So we'll create the flag variable of boolean type, and we will create mutex variable of mutex. Okay, then we will go ahead, before modifying this, we will go ahead and implement if my flag is not set, then I will execute the load method and I will set the flag equals to true. And before I get into the flag, I'll do dot log and then okay, so we have implemented the log, then we are executing the load method, and we have set the flag, and then we are using the unlock, and then we are executing the done method. We are passing true to the channel done, and then we are printing the value from the done. Okay, so we can remove this for now. Okay, so we have implemented singleton pattern here using the mutex. So what we have implemented here, we have created the boolean variable and variable of mutex type, then we are invoking, or we are checking the log, we are getting the log, and then we are checking the value of flag, and then we are executing the load method, setting the flag to true that it has been executed. So next time it doesn't get called, but every time this go routine, there are 10 go routine, so only first go routine will be executed, and remaining 9 go routine, they will obtain the log, then it will check the condition, and then it will release the log. So that is how the remaining 9 go routine will perform. So what if I don't want to implement this that way? In that case, we can implement the sync.once. Okay, before that, let's go and see the sync package and once implementation. So once has already implemented, but we have written the code, that is mutex variable and done of a integer type, that is a boolean variable, you can say. So it has already implemented the locking mechanism, and it has a do method which we can use to perform our operation. So let's get back to our code. So let's go ahead and implement. Before that, I'll create the variable here, variable once of sync.once, and let's remove the flag and mutex here. Then it is showing us the error here. And it is showing that once is not declared but not used. Okay, so we have to just use once dot do and pass function name load, function variable load. That's it. And let's go and run the program. Okay, so we have implemented singleton pattern once method here, or sync.once method here. Thank you. We'll connect again in the next video.